Imagine uncovering the hidden structure of an exponential equation where each algebraic transformation brings clarity. In today's video, we walk step by step through a real number solution that resolves elegantly. We aim to solve the equation 7 to the power of x plus 1 plus 7 to the power of x equals 8 divided by 343. We begin by noting two identities. First, 7 to the power of x plus 1 equals 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 1. Secondly, 343 equals 7 to the power of 3. Substituting these expressions into the original equation gives 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of 1 plus 7 to the power of x equals 8 divided by 7 to the power of 3. Next, we factor out 7 to the power of x from the left-hand side to get 7 to the power of x times 7 plus 1 equals 8 divided by 7 to the power of 3. This equation implies that 7 to the power of x times 8 equals 8 divided by 7 to the power of 3. Multiplying both sides by 1 divided by 8 yields 7 to the power of x times 8 times 1 divided by 8 equals 8 divided by 7 to the power of 3 times 1 divided by 8. After simplifying both sides, we obtain 7 to the power of x equals 1 divided by 7 to the power of 3. This implies 7 to the power of x equals 7 to the power of negative 3. Therefore, the value of x that satisfies the equation is x equals negative 3. Through substitution, factoring, and exponent laws, the equation collapses neatly to a single exponential statement. From there, identifying the exponent provides the exact solution x equals negative 3. If this detailed walkthrough strengthened your understanding, consider liking the video, subscribing for future breakdowns, and sharing it with others who are building their mathematical intuition. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.